Hey, it's MK, and I am here with Figure It Out Friday, and I am still playing along with Christmas in July all week long. So don't forget to check out that playlist to see how many people are playing along with all their Christmas layouts. I am just doing this one layout, but doing it in sessions Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And here it is Friday. So now you get to see me put all of these bits and pieces that I have gathered up for this particular layout and this beautiful background that I made on Monday and seeing what I'm going to do with it. All right. So the first thing I'm going to do is trim off a little bit of my white borders. And the reason I do that is because when I print two 3x4s and cut them in half, that half border is now skinnier than the other three sides. And so I just have to make it all matchy, which it's not an exact science. I eyeball it most of the time, but I'm going to very quickly add my photos to my layout. I'm going to go ahead and call that done and not worry about those at all. And then I'm going to take all these little bits and pieces that I have for scraps and just build a photomat-esque around my pictures. Now, I thought I was going to go all the way around, and then I realized I don't have enough to make that happen. So what I plan on doing is actually taking all of these and just working on the two sides, and I'm going to ignore the top at the moment. So this is a tradition that I started. And I say I because I feel like during Christmas break, the kids get super bored, especially when they were younger and we really didn't let them, most of their friends didn't let them. Most of their friends were out of town, so they got just super bored. And so for the whole week, I decided that we were going to have small little activities. And this is one of them. The other ones were checking out the trees at the Festival of Trees, the Snowflake Festival, and there were all sorts of little things that we did. And then, of course, as we grow up, all the other little things like the Festival of Trees and the Snowflake Festival all ended up, getting pushed back. But the things that we did at the house never stopped. So I accidentally forgot to hit the record button and show you guys my process of taking all of my embellishments and putting them down. So I do apologize about that, but I remembered halfway through and started the recording so I could get it going. I did take that card and cut out my little title, and it just says it's beginning to taste like Christmas because we are doing little cookies. And so that is what that made a perfect title for me. Also, too, this is in conjunction. If you guys watched me put together my ninja cookie layout, I did a layout of us baking. We actually made the dough and used cookie cutters to cut out the little ninja guys. And now these are the pictures of my family. The boys actually did ninjas, and then me and Kyrie are doing snow globes because that's not very ladylike to do ninjas. So we're doing snow globes. But I did record the boys making their ninjas, and so I did a whole separate layout about ninja cookies. And I still need to do the individual layouts of my kids putting together their cookies. I like to do a layout for each one. Usually they're pocket pages instead of complete 12x12 layouts. But I have to be honest with you guys, since I do not have any of my albums pre-set up for 22, 23, 24, 25. I don't have any of those albums set up. I have not been doing pocket pages, and that's why is because they're not pre-set up. And what I mean by set up is I used to print out every single photo that I wanted to put in my album for the year. And then I would go through each picture and go, oh, this one needs a 12x12 layout. These ones can do maybe a 12x12 on one side and then pocket pages on the other, or maybe a double with pocket pages inside. I make that decision pre-crafting. And I used to set up my albums like that, but then I got so far behind. How? I have no idea. To be honest, I do not know what made me stop. And I think it was the printing process. I just get so mad. All I have available around me is a Walmart. And I would get so mad because, you know, I would spend all that time uploading my pictures and making sure that my pictures were the way that they were supposed to be. And then Walmart zooms in and cuts half the people off. And I don't understand that. It's very frustrating to me. And so, yes, I definitely, just got frustrated and haven't put together, my photos just yet. And I've been printing my photos as I go, which I love because I actually am enjoying, the different sizes. Whereas before I used to be a 6x6 gal, and if it was smaller, I would chop it down. And that's exactly what I was doing, was chopping down my pictures, because the 6x4 would make them a little bit bigger than actually doing the, printing them in 3x4s. Well, now I can print them in 3x4s, and I can actually zoom in if I need to. Which I don't know why I didn't think about that sooner. So yeah, I've been enjoying the different sizes already pre-done for me, instead of me spending all that time chopping down a 4x6 and wasting that photo paper. So it's a learning process. It's a continuous changing learning process in the long run, if you think about it. And so I have come up with a different way for me to put my albums together. I've got it on my list. The list is right here in front of me, actually. I just need time to do it. So I might record one just to show you guys how I am setting up my albums now, and letting you guys know how it works out. All right, you guys, so that is my layout for today. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me. I do apologize for it being uber super quick, but that's one of the things I love about working with scraps, is they go by like super fast, and I love layouts that don't take hardly any time at all. All right, again, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to check out the links that I have down below for Figure It Out Friday. It is something that Janet Fritz and myself are doing for the month of July. And then also too, don't forget to check out the link down below for the Christmas in July all week long hop, and check out what everyone else is doing for their Christmas layouts. Again, thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll check you guys all later. Bye.